A nice function that it has that I like to use as a landlord is the one-time use. So we're going to hold down our set button again. So it flashes up here. Then we're going to do admin code, lock button, and then we're going to do 21 lock button. And then I'm going to do 7, 8, 9, 6 lock button, and it sets it. Now you can put up to 5 of these in there, and then we'll hit the set button again, lock, 7, 8, 9, 6, and that works there. Now with the lock again, and now I hit it again and it doesn't work. So that's a nice functionality right there. Now next we're going to do vacation mode. Now this is basically the idea behind this is the only code that'll work is the admin code. So if you gave out other codes and you leave for vacation, no one else can get in the property. So what we're going to do is hold down our set button, listen to it, and we'll do 7, 4, 8, 5, 9, 6, lock. Then we're going to do 5, 0, lock. Now by default, vacation mode is off. To turn it on, we're just going to hit the 1, and then we'll hit lock, and now vacation mode is on. If I lock it, it doesn't work. Nothing works there. And the only code that actually works is the admin code. Now the next one I'm going to show you how to do is the auto lock. Now this takes actually 2 different code settings. So we're going to hold down the set button. 7, 4, 8, 5, 9, 9, 6, lock, lock. Then we're going to do 8, 0, lock, and then 1 is going to turn it on. And by default, auto lock is off. And it's 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, it will lock. And you'll see that it just turned back on. Now, once it's on, what we actually have to do, if you want longer than 10 seconds, what we're going to do is hold down the set button. We're going to do 7, 4, 8, 5, 9, 6, lock. Then we're going to do 7, 0, lock. Then we're going to enter the number of seconds. So again, it goes 10 to 99, 10 being the default. So what I'm going to do is set it for 30 seconds. We'll do 3, 0, lock. And now it's set for 30 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and unlock this. And now in 30 seconds, it'll lock. You'll see it flashing here. So it's getting ready to lock. So now in 30 seconds, it'll lock. And there you go. Now you see it locks. Now another thing we can do on this is turn the beeping off. And to do that, what we're just going to do is hit the set button. 7, 4, 8, 5, 9, 6, lock. And then we're going to do 6, 0, lock. And as you can see, it's on by default. And then we're going to hit 0, lock. Now the beep's off. Now we can hit the lock button. And you hear there's no beep. And then you could do 2, 5, 3, 6, and it auto unlocks. Now I don't like having the beep off because sometimes if you hit it, you might hit the number and it doesn't actually take it. I have noticed that a couple times, it's not supposed to. The other thing is if you're in the middle of programming, or let's say I lock it and I misfinger that and I put in the wrong code, so I put in 2, 5, 6, I can do clear and it'll wipe that away, and then I can do 2, 5, 3, 6 and it'll take it again. The C just clears it, whereas if I put in the wrong code, 2, 5, 6, 3, I now have to wait for it to beep at me to tell me it's the wrong code. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching. And if you're not already a subscriber, make sure you click that link below and become one. And again, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and help us out with the YouTube algorithm. And we'll catch you on the next one.